this video I'm gonna teach you how to install expansion joint. So first thing first, make a mark. Since this is a long corridor, I'm going to use the air vent, the air con. Make 2 marks. Air vent is pretty straight. When I got 2 marks, I make sure there is a 10 mil gap between them. That's where our expansion beads is gonna go. Then I use the level to make 2 straight lines. So this is going off. Now I'm using drywall saw with a vacuum. So not much dust. This is the ones I couldn't get it with the saw. I'm gonna just get it with the knife. You just have to be careful, don't cut your fingers. And this comes off pretty easy. Making sure nothing left, no plaster. Alright, so it looks like that. Cleaned all the nails as well. Next I'm gonna measure the beads and then try to install them. I'm gonna hold them with the staple gun. Gonna use the staple gun and stapling them. Side is done. Next part, same thing. So it's all done, as you can see from up there. Now I'm gonna use base coat. This is first coat. Make sure do not get too much base coat or mud in the center, because later on it's hard to clean it up. So I'm gonna flush the cracked corners too, and the wall as well by Now it's all dry. Cleaning it up for next coat, second coat. And later on, gonna use top coat as well. Making sure not much. Making sure it's clean. It's all done. As you can see, this is topped. So 3 coats. It looks good. So we can leave it. Now I start all the sanding. Sanding and get ready for painting. I use the block to sand the middle. So here it is. It's all done and finished. So that's how to stop an annoying crack reappearing from the corridor ceiling. Thank you and see you next time.